Hi, I'm Kevin Fowl, the editor-in-chief of Boating Magazine.
Hi, I'm Andrea Gayton, editor-in-chief of Wakeboarding Magazine.
And we're here aboard the Axis T220.
And we have a very special guest to show us around.
The T220 that Malibu provided us today came powered with a M5DI. That's a 5.3-liter direct-injected inboard. It delivers 400 foot-pounds of torque at 3,800 RPM, and it's rated at 360 horsepower at 5,600 RPM. This Malibu Monsoon engine really delivers great performance, as our report shows. But to find out what it's like to ride behind this boat, let's ask Beck Gange, two-time world champion and Axis team rider, what it's all about.
This was actually my first set behind the T220, and the wake did not disappoint. It's so forgiving and has plenty of pop, and I also went for a surf, and for a 22-foot boat, the wave was awesome.
Our test boat was fitted with the sport helm, and boy was I pleased with it. Over here on my right hand, there's these hot keys that give quick access to common functions. Above that, there's a Garmin touch screen. There's three main menus. There's the lighting and control screen, the engine gauges screen, and the Watersports screen. And you can access those three by either the hot keys or by a swipe of your finger. Over here on my left hand, there's a phone holder that will hold your phone securely through the roughest chop. And below that, there's a Bluetooth stereo that's easily reachable by a passenger sitting next to you. We've got a low bridge to go under and the day's at an end.